The see now today I will start a new lesson. There is a lesson number 3, community. Lesson number 3, community. A group of peoples living in a specific area is called a community. So what do you mean by community? It is very important question. A group of peoples living in a specific area, is called community. He is called community. So this is a community. Group of peoples living in a specific area. For example, you can see in our area, yes or no? So these peoples are living in a specific area. Is called community. Yes or no? Okay. See, members of a community are independent on each others for many things. Members of a community are independent on each other for many things. So community is called with many names. Community is called with many other names. So what are those? See students, for example, rural communities and the urban communities and the tribal communities. See, what do you mean by rural community? You know already. It means what? In the village people's areas. There is a rural community. So urban community means what? City people's areas. This means city areas. And the tribal community it means what? There is a forest area peoples. Kaadu janru anta heli kariteve. Yes or no? Okay. So this is about the community. This is about the community. All of you understand about the community. Group of peoples living in a specific area is called community. In the community you can see in the different community is called with many other names. Rural communities and the urban communities and the tribal communities. So after studying this lesson, recognize the features and the features and the types of the communities, and also we know about the rural communities and its occupations, problems and of a peoples and the solutions for them. And after completion of these lessons, we know about the lifestyles of the urban peoples and their problems and their solutions for them. And after completion of these lessons, we get introduced to the tribal communities. And also, after completion of these lessons, they appreciate the dignity of labors by the understanding the need of different occupations and their values. And also recognize the assistance of the community during the natural calamities. So after completion this lesson or after studying these lessons, we learnt these all things. We understand these all things. You can see in the first one is a different communities. Here is a pictures of a village. See, look, don't you see many houses? In that time, there are many families living in this village. The group of all families is called communities. You can see there is a village picture is there on your screen. At time you can see the cattle are there. Yes or no? Some animals are there. Yes or no? Trees are there, plants are there. You can see that some huts are there, some homes are there. Yes or no? So there are many families living in this village. The group of all these families is called community. So this is a rural communities. Okay, students, see, you can see in the pictures in. Okay, see students, many families from different places have come to participate in a big fair. See students, see a group of a peoples living in a particular place with we a feeling for a long time, he is called a community. He is called a community. A group of a peoples living in a particular place with we feeling for a long time, he is called community. He is called community. So every member of a community will have the feeling of a dependence on the community, okay. The feeling of a dependency is more if the community is small. This feelings is decreases as the size of the community increases. Size of the community is increases. Listen to me students, the feeling of a dependency is more if the community is small. Community is small, but the feeling of a dependency is more. In the time the feeling decreases as the size of the community is increases. Size of the community is increases. And also it is found that the most of the animals in the environment live in a group and it forms their communities. For example, you can see the rat, you can see the birds, you can see the honey, you can see the tiger, cheetah, lions, cattle, so whatever it may be. You can see that any type of the animals. It means it is found that most of the animals in the environment live in group and it forms their communities. That time the birds make their communities, own communities. The tigers make their own communities. The human beings also make their own communities. So this type will be different kinds of the animals and different kinds of the birds also make their forms their own communities. The specialty of a honeybee and ants is that they live in a community. The specialty of a honeybee, you can see the honeybee first one. Yes or no? The specialty of honeybee and ants is that they live in a community and distribute the work among themselves and identify the communities of living beings found around the discusses and about it with friends. Okay, see students, see you can see the first one, that is a honeybee. ಜೇನು ಹುಳಗಳಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. That honeybee is they live in community. The honeybees are alive in a community, and also they are survive in community. They are not survive in individually. ಅವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸಾಗಿಸ್ತವೆ. ಯಾವ ಜೇನುಹುಳುಗಳು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರುವೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ, ಈ ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಳ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್, ದಟ್ ಓನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಗುಂಪುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಪಾಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆ ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಎಸ್. ಸಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ, ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಬದುಕ್ತಾವೆ, ಆದರೂ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ birds or ant and a honeybee, whatever it may be. You can take any type of the animals. They are live in group. ಅವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ತಾವು ಬೆಳಿತಾವ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ಸರ್ವೇ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ. See students, page number 33. Write the aspects identified by you in the pictures given already given. See students, in the page number 33, page number 33. So in the, see, there are two columns are there. One is a pictures columns, another one is what, that is a writing columns. Okay, see students, in the first columns you can see the rural communities, urban communities, and the tribal communities. These are the community pictures are given on the screen. Yes or no? So rural community is what, there is a village area. That is what, village area. You can see in the village areas, you can see the cattle, human beings. Yes or no? Buffalo and the goat. You can see the wheels also. Yes or no? So these are the pictures are seen in the rural communities. Rural communities. And also you can see the downside, it is the urban communities. You can see in the buildings, vehicles, bicycles, yes or no, bus, and the human beings, and the road. In the road you can see in the second pictures, there is a urban communities. Okay, now you can see the third one, there is a tribal communities. Tribal communities, you can see in the human beings, trees, rocks. Yes or no? It is a forest areas. You can see the forest also. Okay, so this type will be, we observe the three pictures. We observe the three pictures. Okay, now see, identify the aspects. You can see in the first pictures, you only write even of home in these areas. So first one, write, what do you see in that pictures? Human beings. You write human beings, this type. Okay, you write in your home. Next, agriculture processes. You can see the several agriculture processes are there in these pictures. Yes or no? You only write human beings, agriculture processes, goat, blocks, buffalo. Yes or no? And also wheel is there. See, wheel. So this type will be, you only write in your textbooks, page number 33. First of all, you observe these pictures, rural communities. Okay, you can see the first one, human beings. It is a common, and the agriculture processes. Yes or no? You can see that agriculture processes in these pictures. Yes. Next, goat, blocks, buffalo. Yes or no? See that pictures, and also a wheel. Also wheels. So this type will be, you only write in your textbook, page number 33. Okay. Yes. See the second pictures, second columns. What is that? That is urban communities. See, in the urban communities, means city area. You can see in the city areas, the buildings are there, human beings are there, cars are there, buses are there, road is there. Yes or no? So you write first of all human beings. That answer column, you can write out human beings, buildings, buses, road, car. You write to be, no problem, vehicles. That's all. So this is about the urban communities. Yes or no? Okay. You can see the third one, the tribal communities. So first of all, you write the human beings. There, no? Okay. Next, trees, rock material, rock. What? Rocks. And also you write to be forest. No problem. Yes or no? So this type will be, you write in the tribal communities. Okay. So this is the answer. So you only write in our home, page number 33. Page number 33. You only write in your textbooks. Okay. So this is about the answers for rural communities, urban communities, and the tribal communities. There are different communities like rural communities, urban communities, and the tribal communities. Okay. See students, or the is pictures of rural communities. In rural communities you can see many activities in the pictures, differentiated agriculture activities and the non-agriculture activities, and write them separately in the space given below. You can see the several pictures are there on screen. You can see the several pictures on your screen. So what is questions? The differentiate agriculture activities and non-agriculture activities. Write them separately. Write them separately in the space given below. The downsides space are given. See, so non-agriculture activities and agriculture activities. So you only separate these non-agriculture activities and the agriculture activities, write it separately in the space already given. Okay, you can see the several activities are there. Yes or no? You can see the several activities are there. Okay, so what are these activities? So I directly see the answers. So you only write on page number 34. Page number 34. All of you open the page number 34. See students, the first one is agriculture activities. You can also observe that pictures. Some are agriculture activities, some are non-agriculture activities. Some are agriculture activities, some are non-agriculture activities. You can see first one we see the agriculture activities. So you write, take pencil. Okay, page number 34. First one in the agriculture activities. First you write the first one. First one, cultivations of the soil. Cultivations of the soil. Spelling cultivation, cultivation of soil. Okay. Second one, cropping. Second one, cropping. Third one, farming operations. Fourth one, so you only write in the page number 34. The first one is cultivation of the soil. First one is what? Cultivation of the soil. So write the numbers. One, cultivation of the soil. Second one, cropping. Third one, farming operations. Fourth one, plugging the land to grow the crops. Fifth one, harvesting the crop. Okay, so you write the first one. You can see the first one. See, so first one you write that. Take the pencils. Page number 34. First one, agriculture activities in first one, cultivation of soil. Spelling cultivation, cultivation of soil, soil, cultivations of soil. So first one. Okay, see the second one, cropping, CROPING, cropping. Okay, third one, farming operations, FARMING operations. Okay, fourth one, so you only write plugging the land to grow crops. Plugging spelling PLOUGHING, plugging the land to grow crops. Understand? Okay, next, fifth one, harvesting the crop. Answer. So spelling HARVESTING, harvesting the crop. Okay. Yes. So these are the agriculture's activities. You can see the second one, non-agriculture's activities. Non-agriculture's activities. So write the first one, blacksmithing. BLACK, black, SMTING, smithing. Okay. Second one, carpentry. Right, second one, CARPENTRY, carpentry. And third one, see the third one, basket weaving. And also a fourth one, fishery. The last fifth one, that is a pottery. This is what? Pottery. So these are the things, these are the activities in agriculture's activities and the non-agriculture's activities. You can see the several activities are there on your screen, on your textbooks also, page number 34. So you write, so what are the agriculture's activities and what are the non-agriculture's activities. So each family in the community needs many things and the equipment for their day-to-day activities. The independence is found more in rural communities. So people respect all occupations. Okay. I will continue next class. Thank you.